Hello guys, welcome to the topic boats and streams. Now, this topic boats and stream is an extension of topic time, speed and distance because the problems we are going to see the topic see in the topic boats and streams will be similar to that of time, speed and distance. If you are well practiced with time, speed and distance, then this concept will be easy. Now we can move to the topic. Before going to the problems, we need to understand some of the basic concept in boats and stream. If the boat is moving in direction of a stream, consider this as a stream. Stream means it can be any river or lake, etc. Okay, some water is flowing. If the boat, consider this as the boat is moving in the direction of stream. Boat and stream are moving in the same direction. It is said to be downstream. Okay, if the boat and the stream are moving in opposite direction, it is said to be upstream. Okay, once again guys, if the boat and the stream are in the same direction, it is said to be downstream. If the boat is moving opposite direction of that stream, it is said as upstream. Speed of boat in still water is represented by the letter B and speed of stream is represented by S. Speed upstream is given by B minus S kilometer per hour and speed downstream is given by B plus S kilometer per hour. Okay, if given that speed upstream value and speed downstream value, we can get the speed of boat and speed of stream by using these formulas. Okay guys, please note down these four formulas. These four formula will going us to help in solving the coming problems. We can move to the first problem. If the speed of boat in still water is 10 km per hour, in question is given that speed of boat in still water is 10 km per hour and speed of stream is 8 km per hour. Speed of stream is 8 km per hour. Find the upstream and downstream speed. We need to find upstream and downstream speed. Since from formula we can get speed upstream is B minus S, speed downstream is B plus S kilometer per hour. Speed upstream is B minus S kilometer per hour, which is equal to 10 minus 8 equal to 2 kilometer per hour, and speed downstream is B plus S kilometer per hour, which is equal to 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. So we found that speed upstream is 2 kilometer per hour and speed at downstream will be 18 kilometer per hour. This will be our answer. Okay, here we are getting data from the question. We are substituting directly in the formula. Okay, so that we can able to find the value of speed upstream and speed downstream. We can move to the second question. A boatman can row a boat upstream at 14 km per hour. Now it's given that speed at upstream is equal to 14 km per hour. Speed at downstream is 20 kilometer per hour. Find the speed of boat in still water and speed of stream. Now we need to find speed of boat in still water and speed of stream. Okay, now we can move to the formula. For finding speed of boat, formula will be 0.5 into d plus u. Okay, for finding the speed of stream, formula will be 0.5 into d minus u, where d and u indicate speed of upstream and speed of downstreams. This will be u, this will be d. Okay, so speed of boat will be 0.5 into d plus u, which is 14 plus 20, which is equal to 0.5 into 34, which is equal to 1 by 2 of 34, 17 kilometer per hour, and s is equal to 0.5 into d minus u, that is 20 minus 14. 1 by 2 into 20 minus 14 will be 6, 3 kilometer per hour. So we found that speed of boat as 17 kilometer per hour and speed of stream is 3 kilometer per hour. In this question also we are getting data from the question, we are substituting that in respective formulas, and hence we are deriving it, we are obtaining the final answer. Okay, now we can move to the third question. A boatman can row a boat at a speed of 5 km upstream. At upstream, he can able to at upstream he will cover the distance of 5 km in 2.5 hours. At downstream he will cover the distance of 15 km in 1.5 hours. We know that speed is equal to distance by time taken, 5 divided by 2.5, which will be 2 km per hour. In this case, speed is equal to 15 divided by 1.5, which is equal to 10 km per hour. So upstream speed u will be 2 km per hour. Downstream speed d will be 10 km per hour. We found u value and d value, that is upstream speed value and downstream speed value. In question, the speed value is not directly given. It is given in terms of distance and time taken. So we need to find speed. Now we obtained upstream and downstream speed. Now question is, find the speed of stream and speed of boat. Okay. Speed of, we know that speed of boat is equal to 0.5 into d plus u, which is equal to zero point 0.5 into d plus u, 10 plus 2, which is equal to zero point 0.5 into 12, which is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. We know that speed of stream will be 0.5 into d minus u, which is equal to 0.5 into d minus u, zero point 0.5 into 8, which will be 4 kilometer per hour. Okay. So our answer is speed of boat is 6 kilometer per hour. Speed of boat is 6 kilometer per hour and speed of stream is 4 kilometer per hour. We derived the answer. Okay. In previous problem, speed of upstream and downstream speed are given directly. They are given in kilometer per hour. Okay. But in this problem, the upstream speed and downstream speed are not given directly. It is given in terms of distance and time taken. It is given in terms of distance and time taken. Okay. So after getting u and d value, directly substitute that in formula. We will get speed of boat and speed of stream. Now going to the next question. A boat covers certain distance downstream in 1 hour, which means time at downstream is 1 hour, while it come back in 1.5 hours, which means time taken for upstream will be 1.5 hours. Okay. Considering speed of stream be 3 kilometer per hour, speed of stream is given as 3 kilometer per hour. What is the speed of boat in still water? We need to find b value. Okay. The point we need to consider is distance traveled at upstream and distance traveled at downstream will be equal. Okay. We can go to the formula. See, in this question, the distance traveled during upstream and during downstream will be equal, because a boat is covering certain distance in 1 hour in downstream. The same distance it is reversing back upstream in 1.5 hours. So the distance of upstream and distance of downstream will be equal. So distance can be elaborated as speed into time. Yes. From the formula we will get as speed of upstream as speed of boat minus speed of stream. Speed at downstream will be speed of boat plus speed of stream. Okay, this I taken from the formula. See, now I am showing speed of upstream will be b minus s, speed of downstream will be b plus s. Okay. Since the distance are equal, SU into TU will be equal to SD into TD. SU will be B minus S, speed of downstream SD will be B plus S. Now I am substituting the value. B value is unknown, S value is 3, T at upstream will be 1.5 is equal to B plus 3, speed at downstream will be 1. 1.5B minus 3 into 1.5 will be 4.5, which is equal to B plus 3. 1.5B minus B will be 3 plus 4.5, which implies 0.5B is equal to 7.5. So B will be 7.5 divided by 0.5, which is equal to 15 kilometer per hour. So speed of boat in still water will be equal to 15 kilometer per hour. So that will be our answer. Okay. Now we can move to the last question. A man can row upstream at 6 kilometer per hour. Okay. So speed at upstream, that is U will be 6 kilometer per hour. If it takes him twice as long as to row up than to down the river, the rate of current is. Given that speed of upstream is 6 kilometer per hour, so it is taking him twice as long as to row him than to down the river. If D value will be 12, guys, a man is rowing the boat in, consider the river flowing. Okay, the river is flowing in this direction. There is a boat, it is going opposite direction of stream. For moving in opposite direction, it is taking him 6 kilometer per hour. So for moving in same direction, it will take some value more than 6. Downstream speed will be more than 6 kilometer per hour. In question it is given that he is taking twice the time to cover the travel during upstream, which means we need to multiply 2 from upstream speed so that we will get the downstream speed. Okay, this twice will be the keyword. So we found upstream speed and downstream speed, so that our question is the rate of current. Yes, we need to find speed of stream, we need to find. U will be 0.5 into B minus S. D will be 0.5 into B plus S. Six is equal to 0.5 into B minus S. 12 is equal to 0.5 into b plus s. Okay, so b minus s will be 6 divided by 0.5 is equal to 12. B plus s will be 12 divided by zero point 0.5 is equal to 24. This is first equation. This is second equation. Okay, we need the value of s. So we need to find the value of s. So I'm solving this equation. I'm multiplying 0.5 to equation 2. Okay, sorry guys, I'm multiplying 2 to the equation 1, which gives me 2b minus, no, directly we can solve. Minus s plus s will get cancelled. 2b is equal to 36, which gives me b value as 36 divided by 2, which is 18. I found value of b as 18 kilometer per hour. I am substituting this b in this equation. Okay, I know u value will be 6. 6 is equal to 0.5, b value as 18 minus s. 6 divided by 0.5 will be 12 is equal to 18 minus s. So s will be 18 minus 12. S is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. This is the required answer. Okay. Once again I'm explaining the question. In question it's given that upstream speed as 6 kilometer per hour. This upstream, the time he is taking twice than that of the downstream, which means the distance he cover will be twice. So I'm multiplying 2 with u, I will get d value. We know that formula of u is 0.5 into b minus s, and d is equal to 0.5 into b plus s. We can solve these equations. I will get b value. On substituting the b value in the again in the equation, I will get the s value. Okay.